Hello friends, Namaste. So in this particular week, we learnt about meridians and then thereafter acupressure. So let's go for acupuncture now. Some people say that acupuncture is a miracle remedy for everything. I do not know exactly. But you find out from this particular lesson whether it is a miracle remedy or not. If you are new to holistic healing, as a type of treatment, acupuncture can seem a bit of terrifying. How could pressing needles into your skin possibly make you feel better? Doesn't that hurt? I got needles here, a packet of needles. We'll see how does it feel later on when we come to the part types of needle. Well, no. Well, no. It is definitely not the overtly painful procedure you may be imagining, or considering that it has been studied and practiced for 2005 years. It seems acupuncture enthusiasts could seriously be onto something. Some people swear by acupuncture, citing it as a miracle to improving their quality of life. It's a practice of treating conditions through triggering certain points on the skin with needles that may help with allergies, migraines, or insomnia. Acupuncture is an evidence-based medicine that has been proven by literally thousands of studies. Acupuncture is a form of medical treatment that has been used for hundreds, even thousands of years. And it originated in China and it's a part of TCM, that is traditional Chinese medicine. We'll see in part 1 acupuncture, what is acupuncture. In part 2, we'll talk about health benefits of acupuncture. And in part 3, we'll see the types of acupuncture needles. Acupuncture is an ancient Chinese medicine-based approach to treating a variety of conditions by triggering specific points on the skin with needles. Paul Kapitsky, licensed acupuncturist with a MS in traditional Oriental medicine, explains acupuncture is a minimally invasive method to stimulate nerve-rich areas of the skin surface in order to influence tissues, glands, organs, and various functions of the body. Each acupuncture needle produces a tiny injury at the insertion site, and although it is slight enough to cause little to no discomfort, it is enough of a signal to let the body know it needs to respond. This response involves stimulation of the immune system, prompting circulation to the area, wound healing, and pain modulation. Training for acupuncturist. The training includes both instruction in the use of needles and instruction in diagnosing conditions. Practitioners have direct supervision from another senior or expert practitioners. In addition to this training, acupuncturists must undergo testing from a national board of examiners and continue to take instructional courses each year to maintain their license. As per the Gazette notification number 3880 dated 26 September 2024, Government of India has added acupuncture professional in National Commission for Allied and Healthcare Profession Act 2024. Even Maharashtra Council of Acupuncture has approved 11 acupuncture institutes to run diploma in acupuncture therapy for the year 2024-25. So these are the places where you can take training for acupuncture. What's the philosophy behind acupuncture? The Chinese philosophy behind acupuncture is a bit more complicated, as the ancient practice is not traditionally based in science and medicine. They believe that human body was filled with and animated by an invisible life-giving force which they called chi. We call it prana in India. And when the chi was flowing well and going to all the right places, then a person would experience good mental and physical health. When the chi was flowing incorrectly, I mean to say either it is blocked or deficient somewhere, that would result in illness. The concept of chi is not too out there. Think of it as your body's natural inner workings. Sometimes you are more prone to illness when feeling stressed or anxious. When you are relaxed and healthy, your body physically reflects that too. After all, your mood, mental health, and general well-being do affect your physical health. Thus, acupuncture aims to assist people in achieving balance or chi, as a result, provide relief for many ailments. What does acupuncture do? You may be interested in acupuncture for a variety of reasons. For example, some seek treatment for chronic headaches and sinus pressure. Studies suggest that acupuncture can help with cancer treatments as well. Most cancer centers now include acupuncture within their standard of care. People feel happy and content. It is hard to put into words, but there is a distinct, balanced, and harmonious feeling that acupuncture gives most people, and it just feels good. You may also feel tired after the treatment and see changes in your eating, sleeping, or bowel habits, or experience no changes at all. What are the health benefits of acupuncture? Numerous conditions and symptoms that acupuncture has been found to help with. Allergies, anxiety and depression, osteoarthritis, chronic pain, often in the neck, back, knees and head, hypertension, insomnia, menstrual cramps and PMS, migraines, morning sickness, multiple sclerosis and pains. Little evidence for, while there is no evidence that acupuncture is a miracle cure all. There is no evidence that acupuncture is a miracle cure. It does seem to have some evidence as a worthwhile treatment for people who may have multiple conditions and illnesses. There is a reason it has been around for more than 2500 years, and as research grows, so will our knowledge of exactly what works and what does. Acne, abdominal pain, cancer pain, obesity, insomnia, diabetes, schizophrenia, stiff neck, alcohol dependence. Accepting acupuncture into real life. An acupuncture session can last anywhere from 60 to 90 minutes. Though most of this time may be spent discussing your symptoms and concerns with your practitioner, sans needles. The actual treatment portion of acupuncture may last around 30 to 40 minutes. Many people actually request a longer amount of time. Dopamine is released during acupuncture, and in many patients who appreciate a relaxing experience due to the dopamine release prefer longer retention time. In terms of result, it is nearly impossible to say what one should expect, as evidence responds to and experiences acupuncture differently. There is no universal response to acupuncture. Some people feel relaxed and maybe a little tired, others feel energized and ready for anything. So Kempinski explains some people experience an improvement right away, and for others it can take several treatments before noticing a positive change. If you are unsure of how or where to start, consult with a certified reflexologist or acupuncturist. A professional can demonstrate where and how to apply pressure properly. Accepting acupuncture into real life. Acupuncture is recognized as safe and beneficial for many conditions. But it is not a cure all for everything. You should still be taking your medications from your own doctors. Well, while it may not eliminate your symptoms, it could still ease them. So it may be worth a try, especially when it comes to chronic pain. If you are still skeptical, talk to your doctor about your concerns. They look at your symptoms, medical history, and overall health to help determine if acupuncture is right for you. Accepting acupuncture into real life. For menstrual cramps, massage the hollow of your inner ankle with a little pressure. For insomnia, rub clockwise then counterclockwise circles in the spot between your eyebrows. For lower back pain, press the space between the middle of your nose and upper lip. For general headaches, try pressure on the muscle between your thumb and index finger. References. Now we come to health benefits. Acupuncture for high and low blood pressure is a great natural treatment and reduces many symptoms. Many acupuncturists combine the treatment sessions with other natural supplements and herbs to maximize the effectiveness to achieve the well-being of the patient. During the treatment sessions, acupuncturists work on specific acupoints with thin needles to boost the body's energy flow and trigger the healing process. This is how the needles are being inserted on the face, the back, and on the hand also. Again, acupuncture needles will show that the complete hand represents each and every organ of our body, like eye, nose, lung, heart, lung, navel, urinary bladder, mouth, throat. So these are the places where if you apply acupuncture or acupressure, it will create some health benefits which is connected to that particular organ. It is here. Again, what is there on the hand? Like they already drawn the diagram also. The colon and all other things are there. Liver is there. Kidney is there. So if you put pressure here on this part of your hand, this kidney will be affected. This is the right hand front side. It's like this. Left hand front side. Right hand back side. This was the front side, this is the back side. What are the benefits of acupuncture? Traditionally, the fundamental belief of acupuncture is that illness is the result of blocked or interrupted chi. Chi provides a body with healing energy. Acupuncture seeks to remove these blockages and return your energy flow to a state of balance. In the newer practice of Western medical acupuncture, inserting needles is believed to stimulate the nervous system. Research is ongoing to find out more about acupuncture's potential effects. Acupuncture has potential effects such as lowering inflammation, increasing blood flow, triggering the release of endorphins to relieve pain. It is used to treat hundreds of conditions and symptoms including pain, nausea, vomiting, headache, menstrual cramps, allergies, etc. What does research say about acupuncture? Let's see 2015 review of studies. This review of 2015 study found that acupuncture could provide short-term relief from low back pain. This is true if acupuncture is used alone or with other treatments such as medication or physical therapy. Second, knee pain. Pain caused by osteoarthritis in the knee is a leading cause of disability among adults. A review of 2010 studies found that acupuncture is an effective treatment for knee pain and physical symptoms of osteoarthritis. The benefits of acupuncture: pain management. Pain management has been shown to effectively relieve both acute and chronic pain. By stimulating acupoints, acupuncture can trigger the release of endorphins, which are natural painkillers produced by the body. This natural approach to pain management can be particularly beneficial for those seeking alternatives to medications or looking to supplement existing treatments in healthcare. Stress reduction. Acupuncture is known for its ability to promote relaxation and reduce stress. The treatment helps to regulate the body's stress response, promoting a sense of calm and emotional well-being. Long-standing residents can benefit from acupuncture sessions as a way to alleviate the pressures of everyday life and promote overall mental health. Improve digestion. Acupuncture can aid in improving digestion and addressing gastrointestinal issues. By targeting specific acupoints, it helps regulate digestive function, alleviating symptoms such as bloating, indigestion, and nausea. Improved sleep quality. Many individuals struggle with sleep disorders or have difficulty falling asleep. Acupuncture has been found to enhance sleep quality by balancing the body's energy and addressing underlying imbalances that contribute to sleep disturbances. Long Island residents can find relief from insomnia or other sleep-related issues through acupuncture treatments. Boosted immune system. Acupuncture treatments can strengthen the immune system, making the body more resilient to illness and disease. By improving the flow of qi, acupuncture enhances the body's natural defense mechanism, helping to ward off pathogens and promoting overall well-being. Holistic wellness. Acupuncture is not just about treating symptoms. It focuses on promoting overall wellness and balance. It takes into account the individual's unique constitution and aims to address the root cause of the issue rather than just providing temporary relief. Neck pain. Acupuncture can significantly reduce neck pain. That was already brought out in the study of 2015. Migraines and headaches. There was a study in 2012 and that said acupuncture was at least as effective at easing migraine symptoms as other treatments, including medications. It also has some benefits over those classical treatments, including longer lasting effects, longer medication use, and fewer serious complications or side effects. The labor pains. Researchers are mixed on the use of acupuncture to reduce labor pains. During childbirth, Some studies show a statistically significant reduction in pain experience. Others point out that acupuncture's effectiveness during labor is difficult to measure. Still, acupuncture remains an area of interest for many mothers looking for meditation-free options. Smoking cessation. Acupuncture is sometimes used for the treatment of conditions other than physical pain. Research has yet to establish acupuncture as an effective smoking cessation therapy. When compared with nicotine replacement therapy, acupuncture was less effective. However, though more research is needed, acupuncture should not be firmly ruled out as a potential therapy for quitting smoking. Depression. One study looked at the use of acupuncture and antidepressant medication to each signs of depression. It suggested that medication and acupuncture together may be effective. It is also well tolerated and present few complications. But a review of studies could not declare acupuncture as a reliable treatment for depression. The author concluded the findings were enough to justify additional research. Blood pressure. Acupuncture for high and low blood pressure is a practice that is becoming increasingly popular among people suffering from hypertension or hypotension. There are certain acupoints for both high and low blood pressure, and an acupuncturist can effectively use this practice to reduce the effect of blood pressure disorder. Professional acupuncturists conduct a thorough examination and observation of patients' symptoms by checking their pulse, appearance, and other behavior. After assessing the condition, they provide an effective treatment program through various sessions for the best results. Acupressure treatment can help you reduce the following symptoms. Are you a patient with high or low blood pressure and struggling to maintain healthy blood pressure? It is a common disorder among many people, especially when they get older. High blood pressure is also known as hypertension, and low blood pressure is hypotension in medical terms. Everyone has a chance of getting any of these issues because of many reasons and body conditions in their life. There are many medications and treatments available to treat blood pressure problems, and acupuncture is one of them. For low blood pressures, dizziness, lightheartedness, fainting, blurred vision, nausea, fatigue, difficult to concentrate. For high blood pressure, dizziness, vertigo, palpitations, headache, fatigue, shortness of breath, weakness in the knees, memory loss, vision loss. Are there any side effects or risk to acupuncture? If performed by a trained and licensed acupuncturist, side effects and risks are very rare. Occasionally, some people may experience pain at injection site, somewhere wherever the needle has been inserted. Bruising, bleeding, sometimes if you have got a sore skin, you might feel some sort of bruising, tingling effect. Bleeding. In addition, some people may develop complications if non-sterile needles are used. The bottom line, acupuncture currently has more definitive research and practitioners are regulated in training and practice. If you prefer a well-established alternative treatment option from a highly trained therapist, acupuncture may be more beneficial to you. Part 3, types of acupuncture needles. An estimated 25% of adults have a fear of needles. This fear leaves people avoiding lots of helpful procedures in the medical, cosmetic and therapeutic realms. A big one of this is acupuncture. One of the ways you can get over a fear of needles is by knowing more about them, and therefore I have kept this particular part, knowing your needles. If you are aware of the benefits of acupuncture but have been putting off booking an appointment, don't worry. Once you learn more about the needles they use, you might realize it is not as scary as it seems. These are the needles what are being fixed on your body, particularly on acupoints. Types of needles. Traditional Chinese acupuncture uses a variety of up to 9 needles. This range is because needles are specialized for different body parts and purposes. Specification like needle size and needle diameter vary across this range. Acupuncture uses needles to treat a wide range of problems. Needles are inserted into the skin and into pressure points to help with a range of problems, from chronic pain to treatment for diseases and now even to allergy treatment. Popular needles, metal fill form needles. Second is spade needles. These are metal fill form needles. This is spade needles, generally not being used. Intradermal needles. Intradermal means that goes into the skin. Press needles are very shallow. These are inserted, then taped down with surgical tape or patches and left in the body for several days. These are not very common and are only used in situations that need long-term nerve stimulation. This is intradermal. It goes inside the skin. It is just like an injection technique. These are the pressed needles with blunt face. These are the dry needles. Like this is the dry needle. This is the packet of needle. This is the packet of needle. I have taken out one needle out of this packet and I'll insert this needle. This is the needle. This is the plastic pipe which is basically being used to insert the needle in the skin. You take this needle with this skin, you find out a particular acupoint, press it like this. This insertion has taken place. Now this can remain inside for 10 minutes, for 30 minutes. There is nothing, there is no pain at all, there is just little bit of tingling effect. So when you go for acupuncture, you don't have to worry about the needle insertions. It is such a simple process. When you take out the needle, there are two ways to take out the needle. You take the needle and just take it out abruptly. Yeah, so you take this needle and rotate it and then take it out. I will take the first one. I will just take this, touch upon the handle and just pull it out. So this whole process is very simple. Why acupuncture needles are safe? Hygiene is one of the most important concerns in acupuncture. Most acupuncturists use packaged, I said this was a packaged needles, it was hygienically sealed. These needles get disposed of after each patient. I just said I use that needle here once and then thereafter this particular needle will not be used. This is what is happening nowadays in the hospitals also. We have got disposable injections, no touch injection. So once a doctor or nurse uses that injection, thereafter the complete syringe is being thrown out. This way you don't have to worry about getting infections from the needles. They are completely hygienically safe. Another big concern around needle is the pain. But since acupuncture needles are so fine, they are very fine. If I don't wear spectacles, I'll not be able to insert it. They are so fine, finer than those injection needles. But since acupuncture needles are so fine, you should not feel more than a pinch when they are inserted into your skin. These are the needles again. Thanks, friends.